In case you missed the really good paying customer service job I posted yesterday, here's another pretty good opportunity for you. It pays anywhere from $61,000 to $72,000 per year according to the actual job description, and they just want a little bit of customer service experience. I'm also throwing in a couple pretty easy work from home jobs, reviewing information, doing data entry, and assisting clients. I don't want you to miss out on them. We'll quickly go through those opportunities, and the first one I have comes to us from the company Dane Street. So Dane Street provides independent medical review services for insurance companies as well as the government for anybody who wants to get on disability. So right now they have an opening for a disability customer service representative. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. And in this job, you'll be responsible for receipt of new cases and ensuring proper system drafting and setup. You'll also be responsible for taking direction and facilitating the case assignment and scheduling process. So you'll intake new cases and review and verify information and requests and enter a whole bunch of information into the Dane Street system. You'll work with clients to obtain any missing information pertinent to processing the claim and sort, organize, and create a medical document listing. You'll also monitor, process, and track cases to ensure the company meets deadlines and assign and schedule new cases to physicians for review. And last but not least, you'll update clients frequently on case progress, and you may also communicate when there are questions on referral information to ensure proper documentation and information is provided to the assigned reviewer. So for this job, they prefer you have an associate's degree. That's just preferred, it's not required. They also prefer you have business experience in a healthcare and or insurance setting. And both of those two things are just preferred, they're not required. You do need to be a really good communicator, you're a critical thinker, you have no problem meeting deadlines, and you're comfortable using computers. And as far as the salary, at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $15 to $21 per hour. The second work from home job I have is also with Dane Street. This one is for a government customer service rep. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and this job is similar to the one I just talked about. It's your typical customer service kind of job where you'll intake new cases and review and verify information and requests. You do some data entry and work with clients to obtain missing information. You'll do a whole bunch of sorting and organizing and creating medical document listings, and respond to inbound calls, emails, and portal inquiries while maintaining efficient and accurate records related to all client interactions. And they have more details. If interested, read through the details. They prefer but they don't require. They prefer you have an associate's degree. They also prefer but don't require you have business experience in a healthcare and or insurance setting. They'd like you to have healthcare claims and billing experience as well as conflict resolution and de-escalation skills. And then of course you need all your typical soft skills you need for just about every job, including you're comfortable using computers. Now they're not sharing the salary anywhere on this job description, but I have a feeling this job will pay similar to the one we just talked about, anywhere from $15 to around $21 per hour. So next up we have the company Forma. They have an opening for a customer implementation associate. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. So they provide a flexible benefit software program, and it'll be your main responsibility to help clients get up and running on the program. So yep, your typical implementation kind of job where you'll own and lead end-to-end implementation of Forma for new customers. You'll own customer expansion, upsell, and file-based projects and drive customer file escalations to resolution. You'll act as the primary liaison between customers and internal teams and develop, manage, and maintain project plans. You also track project progress and deliverables throughout the implementation lifecycle and serve as the voice of the customer within Forma. So for this job, they'd like you to have 1 to 3 years experience in project management, customer success, or a related role, and you have strong project management skills. You're able to manage multiple tasks and responsibilities, and you have experience working under time constraints. And when it comes to the salary, they don't share that anywhere on this job description nor on the application. But looking at similar roles, these kind of jobs tend to pay anywhere from $45,000 to maybe up to $60,000 per year. But I can't guarantee how much you'll make in this particular job. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So Filevine is based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. They were founded in 2014, and they provide an all-in-one cloud-based legal operating intelligence system. Basically, it's a program that streamlines the workflow of law firms and legal departments. This job is for a customer support associate to work in the depositions division of the company. It is full-time. It is remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So what you're going to do is ensure the day-to-day operations run smoothly, accurately, and efficiently. You'll serve as a key contact for scheduling, account maintenance, voice of the customer projects, and customer support. They tell us this is a cross-functional, hands-on, process-driven role with diverse tasks. You'll move between systems, solve problems in real time, and ensure everything is in place to deliver an exceptional customer experience. So you're going to do some customer experience, customer support, account and data management, and SaaS operations. Assisting customers with any issues they have, maintain clean, accurate organization and user data to support billing, reporting, and downstream workflows, and collaborate with the product and engineering teams to design, optimize, and execute processes that ensure timely, high-quality deliverables across the company's SaaS products. They want you to have about 2 years experience in customer service or tech support in a fast-paced environment. You're process-minded and detail-oriented. You're extremely organized. You can manage your time well. You're an empathetic communicator. You're comfortable navigating multiple systems, handling confidential documents, and juggling shifting priorities. And it's a plus you have legal tech, and back office operations experience. It's also a plus you're familiar with Zendesk, Quo, and Zoom. And those last two things are just pluses. They're not required. Now, the big question, how much does this job pay? They tell us right here on the job description, anywhere from $61,000 to $72,000 per year. So we just went over a nice little handful of work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you, and if you're looking for more opportunities, you can find some in this video right here. Oh, and a quick note, if you're between jobs, now is a perfect time to learn new skills and stand out from the crowd, or brush up on the skills you already have. I've compiled a list of free skills training resources, so you can learn how to use Google or Microsoft products. You can learn medical terminology. You can also learn how to use Salesforce, which is a really common tool many companies use, and I list more resources. So I'm always looking for more trustworthy free resources to add to this list. You can find the link for that list in the description area below this video. I encourage you to check it out. So thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.